your back achy? Are your shoulders feeling really tight? I'm going to show you one quick, simple yoga sequence to help you to stretch your back and your shoulders so you can feel better. If you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife, and I'm a certified yoga instructor based in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm also a Pilates instructor and certified Reiki practitioner. So hop on down onto your mat and let's do a super short yoga sequence for the back and the shoulders. You can also do this sitting in a chair, but I'm going to show you sitting on the floor. It's called seated cat-cow, and then we're going to do cat-cow on the floor, and I'm going to also show you one strengthening pose for your core. So come to seated. You can have the feet out in front of you in a diamond shape, any comfortable seated position. Now I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what my back is doing here. So you're going to just bring your hands onto your knees, sit up nice and tall, and then inhale, lift the chest, looking up, relax the shoulders. Exhale, bring the chin to chest, round the spine, pull the belly in. So we're moving up, inhale, lift the chest, arching the back. Exhale, chin to chest, pull the belly in, round the spine. So you're just gonna go back and forward like this. If it doesn't feel good, just don't do it. Make sure that it doesn't hurt, doesn't feel uncomfortable in any way, and you can keep doing this 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. Just make sure that it feels okay on your spine. So that's the first way to do cat-cow. The second way is to be on your hands and knees. So I'm going to show you cat-cow on hands and knees. You can also have something under the knees, a pillow or blankets. You're going to just bring the hands right under the shoulders, knees under the hips, spread the fingers, press the floor away. Lengthening the spine here, pulling the belly in. So we're going to inhale, drop the belly, take the chest forward, arching up. Exhale, rounding the spine, press the floor away. Again, just moving with the breath. Inhale, arching, dropping the belly. Exhale, rounding the spine, pressing the floor away. So just moving back and forth, arching and rounding the spine. And again, if it doesn't feel good, don't do it. Just skip it. For some people, arching is not a good idea. And for some people, rounding is not a good idea. So you can do this 3, 5, 10 times, and then just come back to neutral. So I'm going to show you one strengthening pose. Again, it's super important to strengthen the core muscles if you are having back pain. So all you're going to do here is stretch out the right leg, lift it off the floor, pull the belly in. So you're engaging the core, you're strengthening the core muscles. If you feel stable, you can stretch the left arm out. Stay here for a few breaths. Bring the hand down, bring the knee down. Stretch out the other leg, lift it up. You can always keep your hands on the floor here. If you're okay, stretch out the arms, the other arm. Reaching, balancing here for a few breaths. And then bring the hand down, bring the knees back together. So those are 2 or 3 poses, postures for the back, for the shoulders, for the core muscles. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I'm happy to answer them. If you want me to share more videos on strengthening, stretching the back to help relieve your back pain, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks.